What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your Instagram like history. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and I'm going to like a few posts here within Instagram, right? So as you can see, there is a few posts here and I'm going to simply like them, right? Now, in order to check your Instagram like history, you want to click your profile icon on the lower right hand side. From there, you want to click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to click on your activity. Here you will see likes. So you can simply tap on likes, and here you will be able to find all those posts and reels, etc. that you have liked. And as you can see, the three most recent posts that I've liked was this one, then this one, and also then this one. And of course, there's quite a lot more that I've liked in the past. And this is how you can easily go about checking your Instagram like history. Now you can always filter it by checking from the newest to the oldest, or the oldest to the newest, as you can see here. And as well, you can also do it by date as well. You can see that. And you can also do it by content type. So you can choose reels, posts, or you can even leave it in all content, right? If you swipe across, you can also filter that by authors as well. And that's how you can easily go about doing this. Now, as you look, you can see quite a lot of authors there, and you can easily search these authors as well. So if I type, for example, Will Smith, I'll be able to apply that, and you can also select the profile of Will Smith and apply, and you can see if you would like anything from Will Smith. So you can choose whatever you want. It will search the entire Instagram for profiles or authors, let's say, and you can basically check to see if you like something from that particular author, right? So that's how you go about checking this, guys. Now, I really hope you find this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. And if you see our channel for the first time, go ahead, hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.